Use number 3 is to stabilize. We've started to talk about it already. So when we lift the arms up off the floor, that will stabilize, but we've only really talked about the lower back with regards to stabilizing. What we also need to talk about is the shoulder and the opposing hip, because when we're in this position and we lift both up, we've got balance that's happening as well. So what we would do is we would start off with a nice wide base. So if you look here, I've got a nice wide base. That's going to give me as much support as possible. So when I lift up, I've got a nice wide base to be able to balance on. Now some people, your hips may roll either way, your shoulders may roll either way. That's normal. That would be, first of all, you would build proprioception, then you would build this balance. Once you've built the balance and the stability of the joint, then you can start building the musculature with the added weight and so on and so forth. So you would start with a wide base, and basically what you're looking for is the hips to stay, the shoulders to stay level, and then the hips to stay level as well, and holding that position. Obviously then you're building the stability when you lift, so all the muscles activate, that will stabilize the spine. Then as you prevent and minimize the amount of wobble, you will then stabilize the shoulder and the opposing hip, and that sort of diagonal sling of muscles that go across, and then when you swap sides, you will do the exact same across, diagonally across the other way as well. So once we've got stable in that position, one of the things that we would do is bring a narrower base and hold here and hold here. Again, keeping the shoulders level, keeping the hips level and not wobbling. And then again, you can come all the way together, holding there. You can start to see now there's a little bit of a wobble going on, or I can certainly feel it. But again, what we can then do, if you really want to, you can bring sort of that hand in front of the opposite knee, and then it gets a lot harder. So you can see wide base to narrow, that will help you stabilize. So you're stabilizing not only the lower back, but you're also stabilizing the shoulder joint by keeping the shoulders level. You're also stabilizing the hips by keeping the hips level.